we're starting with Port Royal and our historic day in Port Royal yesterday. It was great to stand in my office and look over in the distance over yonder and see that ship there that you just saw. It's called the Morella Discovery 2, docking in Port Royal, bringing to life a dream or a vision that folks have had for Port Royal for a long time. It was a huge celebration, a historic day. Lots of folks just went out to see what was happening. Boat docked, passengers came off. Were treated
2,000 passengers.
Yeah, a whole heap of
came
people.
on this ship.
They had great stuff lined up for them
All
when they
about.
got ashore.
All about Emancipation Park. They were downtown Kingston.
I love how they were welcomed by Ashe and the other folks who were right in that vicinity. But yeah, see, this is New Kingston.
Yeah.
So they were bussed out and
Got to see Bob Marley Museum, Trench Town. All about the place. This is nice.
nicey.
This is nice.
I think so.
This is nice.
I think so.
So we see ships, Trelawney, Ocho Rios, Montego Bay. Is that the ship's captain? Wait, go back.
Wait, run that
Go
footage
back, go
again.
Run
I
that
thought you were going to
footage
say,
again.
look at Prof. Shirley, great
No,
job.
I didn't see Prof. Shirley. in that
Jeez,
shot.
don't cry.
I saw
Maybe
that.
I did because not only is he the head of Port
Oh, Prof.
Authority, but I'm
Shirley is-
trained to see him with my GKI.
Prof. Shirley is a icon,
Master, eh?
but the ship.
Led the initiative.
Okay.
You want to see the ship's captain again? All right, producer, if you can for Harris, what is it in particular that you like? His uniform?
No, I just want to commend him for taking the passengers here safely.
Okay. All right. Well done to all the folks involved in.
When the next ship coming? Is that the ship that's coming? Is that the captain that's going to be piloting that ship?
Oh gosh.
You're right.
You
No.
sound like somebody who has made a post on Twitter yesterday about the Prime Minister and people like, "Rrr? What did you just say, Kelly?" Good morning, Kelly McIntosh. How are you doing?
Kelly, you're going to be banned from Twitter for a bit, I know.
She brave,
Yes,
you say, girl.
yes.
I tell you.
No, but you're right. Historic for Port Royal. I really hope that the residents have benefited, will continue to benefit. That training will happen for them so that they are able to maximize these visits and that more ships come into Kingston. It's Jamaica. People are fascinated by us.
Yeah, we hear
And
the tour guides were great.
Yeah.
Port Royal was nice to set up. The vendors there said it was
Yes.
a great day for them.
Nice,
Everything
nice.
sell off and
Nice.
replenish and sell off again.
Nice.
So there's great.
That's the beauty of
benefit.
our country, you know. That's the beauty of our country. The North Coast tourists is a different tourist from the South Coast tourists, which is a different tourist from the Kingston tourists.
Right. That's right.
And because the different from East Coast, Portland.
That's right.
So we offer so many diverse
Those
experiences.
who want the all-inclusive versus those who want the
little
native experience versus those who want the urban experience versus those who want the rural experience.
Correct.
And we have all of it.
We have all
What
of
a
it.
little
We have all
country
of it.
blessed.
We
Jesus
have all of
Christ.
it. So I don't know how many other countries have the kind of diversity that we have.
Yeah.
So we're blessed and we're happy.
Rock is amazing.
What we're not blessed with, apparently, is holding on to our nurses.
Yes, well.